Good morning, class. Welcome to your computer online class. Today's chapter is chapter 2, which is log on to access. As we store information in the form of text in MS Word and in a spreadsheet as Excel, in the same way, a table that stores users information can be stored in database. A database is a software package, is a tool for collection, organizing data for retrieving meaningful information. मीन्स डेटाबेस क्या है? एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कि हमें फैसिलिटीज़ देता है फॉर कलेक्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजिंग डेटास, डेटा को कलेक्ट करने में और ऑर्गेनाइज करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है इन अ मीनिंगफुल मैनर. Database can store information about people, products, anything else. Database किसी भी तरह की information को store कर सकता है. For example, pupils in the sense of pupils, their contact numbers, their addresses, products, and anything else. A database consists two things, which is field and record. Have you seen this table in MS Excel? This is rows and this one is columns. In database, these columns are known as field and these rows are known as record. Now, field. A column within a table that contains only one type of information is called a field. Field, here we can say column. Column is known as field. Record. A collection of field makes one record. जो field का जो collection होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Record, which is rows, which makes one record. A record displays all the information about a single entity. Next term is file. A file is a collection of related records. Now here I am going to tell you about database. Database are two types: relational database मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जिसे हम RDBMS कहते हैं, and the second is flat file database. DBMS, database management system, and RDBMS, relational database management system. Now come to our next topic, that is Microsoft Access. As I told you, Microsoft Access help us to organize data in the form of table. Here MS Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS, relational database management system. It provides facility to create relationship between these tables by using common fields. It helps us to create a relationship between tables. Here, this is your table. In this table, we are going to take a record of students with their name, their father's name, and their contact number. Now students, in the next video we will talk about how can we create database in MS Access. Till then,